Healthy breakfast ideas for weight gain. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on health and fitness goals. For individuals looking to gain weight in a healthy way, it's important to focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Here are some breakfast ideas designed to support weight gain. Nut butter and banana smoothie. Blend whole milk, a banana, a scoop of nut butter, peanut butter, almond butter, and a handful of oats. This smoothie is rich in calories, healthy fats, and protein. Greek yogurt parfait with nuts and dried fruits. Layer whole-fat Greek yogurt with granola. Chopped nuts such as almonds or walnuts and dried fruits. Greek yogurt provides protein, while nuts and granola offer healthy fats and additional calories. Avocado toast with pochette. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain toast and top with a poached egg. Avocado and eggs are nutrient-dense and provide healthy fats and protein. Full-fat cottage cheese and pineapple. Enjoy a bowl of full-fat cottage cheese with fresh pineapple chunks. Cottage cheese is high in protein, and pineapple adds natural sweetness. Oatmeal with full-fat milk and nuts. Cook oats in whole milk and top with a generous handful of nuts such as almonds, pecans, or walnuts. Add a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for extra sweetness and calories. Whole grain bagel with cream cheese and smoked salmon. Spread cream cheese on a whole grain bagel and top with smoked salmon. This savory option provides a good balance of protein and healthy fats. Banana and peanut butter stuffed French toast. Make French toast with whole grain bread and stuff it with a mixture of mashed bananas and peanut butter. Top with a sprinkle of cinnamon for added flavor. Trail mix bowl. Creatia. Breakfast bowl with a mix of nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and whole grain cereal. Add whole milk or yogurt for extra creaminess and calories. Homemade energy bars. Make your own energy bars using ingredients like oats, nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and nut butter. These bars can be prepared in advance for a convenient on-the-go breakfast. Coconut milk chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with coconut milk and let it sit overnight. Top with sliced bananas, shredded coconut, and a drizzle of honey for a calorie-dense pudding. It's important to note that while focusing on gaining weight, one should still prioritize nutrient-rich foods and not rely solely on high-calorie, low-nutrient options. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance for healthy weight gain. Additionally, staying physically active can help ensure that the gained weight is in the form of lean muscle rather than excess fat. If you're getting any value out of the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Let's continue.